Consulate General of USA and Arts Council joined hands to organize a panel discussion to help develop Pakistani film industry. President Arts Council Ahmed Shah welcomed the guests. U.S. Consulate's Public Affairs Officer Jason Green moderated the session. Speaking on the occasion, American filmmaker Maria said,
"Right now I'm here in Pakistan to learn a lot more about the industry and the filmmaking practice here, because we are starting to broaden the scope of the program to include South Asia, and we are beginning to learn more about what is going on here in Pakistan, because we want to serve mid-career filmmakers with this same program, Global Media Makers."
Alex Madigan told,
"I've mentored incoming people who have visited Los Angeles for the fellowship, and led workshops in terms of independent producing, and I'm focused on that."
Sultana Siddiqui opined,
"This is the time government should, accept this industry."
Badr Ikram stated,
"The problems with making films in Pakistan is twofold. One is on the craft side and one is on the trade side. The problem starts with we don't have enough cinemas, we don't have enough screens for a population of our size. The good thing is that people who watch movies are watching Pakistani movies at an increasing rate."
Nadeem Manviwala said,
"Many of films in the world today are not dependent on theatre. They are more dependent on music rights, television rights, satellite, digital. All these streams are available all over the world. None of these streams are available in Pakistan, which is, in my opinion, the biggest problem of a producer, that he is 100% dependent on cinema."
Fiza Ali Mirza suggested,
"If you go on with one channel, the other channels, which are many of them, would not promote your film because you're with a channel, Films right now, I think in a phase where we don't have to actually bring in personal enmity or, for that matter, competition or business in between, in the sense where it's going to damage the larger good. We gotta see films as a whole as a progressing industry where we have to put in our own efforts, all of us together."
At PSCC's Lincoln Corner, a round-table conference was held. Betterment of Pakistan's film industry was the theme discussed by Maria and Alex with leading Pakistani filmmakers. Talking exclusively to News Pakistan TV, Maria told about her organization and fellowships offered by it.
"I work for an organization in Los Angeles called Film Independent, which is a non-profit organization that supports independent filmmakers through education, artist development, exhibition of their work, and celebration of their work through an award show called the Independent Spirit Awards. Our organization was provided with a grant from the United States State Department 3 years ago to provide the same type of support we're offering American filmmakers to international filmmakers. So we started a program called Global Media Makers 3 years ago, and we began serving mid-career filmmakers in the Middle East. And now we are expanding the program to serve filmmakers in South Asia, including Pakistan. So the first requirement for the program is that you have to be a mid-career filmmaker, not a student, not an emerging filmmaker. You have to be someone that has made some work already. So because the residency, you're invited to a residency in Los Angeles that is very intensive and a little bit advanced, so that you're going to be meeting professional filmmakers there. So we want people that could understand what is being discussed, and also leaders that could return to the country to help build capacity in their own countries with what they have learned and shared in the United States. They're mid-career filmmakers, they're fellows. They're very interactive sessions mostly like dialogues where they get to share ideas and hear from esteemed filmmakers, working filmmakers in the independent film industry in the United States. They also get to work with creatives developing their projects. They need to go with a screenplay that they are developing. So that's another requirement. They have to have a project that they are developing at the moment. And the project has to be at the script level, not at the treatment level, not at the idea level. You have to have a script to come. They go for 6 weeks, and when they return, they continue their mentorship through virtual means like Skype or Zoom, and they get to meet with their mentors to get more feedback on their screenplays and get more support on other aspects like pitching or like launching a film in an international festival. So we do support them in any way that we can with experts in North America. I think from my understanding, I mean, I've just been here a week. I have met a lot of filmmakers, distributors, producers. It sounds to me like Pakistan is in a very exciting moment where there's a resurgence of filmmaking and that a lot of Pakistani films are being embraced by the Pakistani audiences. So for me, that is promising.